It's me, it's Sharky Boy me. Boom, shaka, woo, how we doing? Guess what time it is? It is dedication time, dedication time, dedication time, dedication time. Oh yes, we're going to a dedication, first of the year. Boom. Hey, brilliant. This dedication, before I do this dedication before I go out, as I'm ready to go and watch the Mighty Reds blast Stoke. Boom, yeah. Anyway, this dedication is from James Bird to Mr. Sam Hill. Sam, James says, you're a wussy at FIFA 15, but he loves you. He loves you a hell of a lot. He loved working with you for the past year and a bit. On the non-food, stacking the tellies, all the sales and all that, boom. Actually looks at you like a brother, to be honest with you. But as I go back to, it says that you're really basically a wussy at FIFA 15. So, I think, you're listening, Sam? I think, Sam, like, that's a challenge, that. I think you should go to the social fund and ask them if we can have FIFA 15 for Xbox in payment canteen. Then we'll see who's the wussy, shall we? Hey, boom, cheers to you, lad. Hey, all the best, mate. Boom, see you tomorrow.